Supplements claiming to balance blood sugar naturally are everywhere online, and Glycocept is one of the latest trending products. But does it actually regulate blood sugar, or is it just another heavily marketed supplement? So, Glycocept is promoted as a plant based blood sugar support supplement designed to stabilize glucose levels, reduce cravings, and improve energy. The formula includes ingredients like bitter melon, chromium, cocoa extract, and biotin, which are commonly used in metabolic health supplements. There's some science behind these ingredients. Minerals like chromium may help improve insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism. Certain plant extracts, such as bitter melon, have traditionally been used to support blood sugar balance. Because of this, some users report more stable energy levels and fewer sugar cravings. But here's the most important part. Most claims about Glycocept come directly from the product's own marketing pages, not independent clinical trials. There's no strong scientific evidence proving the supplement itself significantly lowers blood sugar. Supplements like this cannot replace medical treatment for diabetes or pre-diabetes. So does Glycocept regulate blood sugar? It may provide basic nutritional support for metabolism, but there's no solid proof it dramatically controls blood sugar on its own. The bottom line, Glycocept appears to be a typical herbal blood sugar supplement, not necessarily fake, but the big health claims are likely exaggerated marketing rather than guaranteed results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.